for months. The kittens by the dumpster are crying. Mommy left them alone. Oh no. The water's soaking in through my shoes. It's sweating my argyle socks. The static's more entertaining than news, and plays listen to my shock. It's a rainy reality check. It's nothing but rain. It's probably all in my head, but it's nice to pretend. The carpet in my bedroom is dusty. My allergies are acting up again. All my latest sketches are crusty. I'll have to gift my presents to my friends. The E-string off my fender is broken. I haven't fixed it for 2 weeks. I'm scared one of us will snap under the pressure. Don't know if it'd be me or it. It's a rainy reality check. It's nothing but rain. It's probably all in my head, but it's nice to pretend. I've been thinking about survival. I don't know where to go, but how would I know? If I'm offered front row seats to a car crash, they'd sell me a luxury, so why would I say no? I've been thinking about survival. I don't know where to go, but how would I know? If I'm offered front row seats to a car crash, they'd sell me a luxury, so why would I say no? It's a rainy reality check. It's nothing but rain. It's probably all in my head, but it's nice to pretend. It's a rainy reality check. It's nothing but rain. Where to go, but how would I know? It's probably all in my head, but it's nice to pretend.